Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. Which of the following are the reasons for the occurrence of multidrug resistance in microbial pathogens in India? 1. Genetic predisposition of some people. 2. Taking incorrect doses of antibiotics to cure diseases. 3. Using antibiotics in livestock farming. 4. Multiple chronic diseases in some people. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 3 and 4. D. 2, 3 and 4. Answers option B. The following are the major reasons for multidrug resistance in Indian microbial diseases: improper use of antibiotics for the treatment of diseases, improper use of antibiotics in livestock farming, and apart from these in the treatment of any type of disease, not taking entire course of antibiotics as well as the use of the wrong medicines. Answers option A. The key step in editing an organism's genome is selective targeting of a specific sequence of DNA. To biological macromolecules, the Cas9 protein and guide RNA interact to form a complex that can identify target sequences with high selectivity. The Cas9 protein is responsible for locating and cleaving target DNA both in natural and in artificial CRISPR-Cas9 systems. What is Cas9 protein that is often mentioned in news? A. A molecular scissors used in targeted gene editing. B. A biosensor used in the accurate detection of pathogens in patients. C. A gene that makes plants pest resistant. D. A herbicidal substance synthesized in genetically modified crops. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.